Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook page that is broken. So let's get started. In order to do that, first scroll down your menu bar and then you can see the Wi-Fi option here. Tap on that. After that, change it to a stronger connection. This may help to fix your issue, but if it doesn't, what you need to do is go to your app store on your search bar and search Facebook. Tap on the Facebook, and then after opening it up, if there's an option of update, you can update it. That may also help to fix your issues. And also if it doesn't, you can go to the settings, open settings, then after opening up you can scroll it down to the general. Here you have the general options, so tap in, and then again you need to find the iPhone storage option. Tap in that. After that, you need to scroll down and find your app Facebook. So Facebook, tap in, and after that here's the option of offload the app. Click offload, and then you need to reinstall the app. So this is how you can fix your Facebook page that is broken. I hope this video helps you out. Like and comment down if it did.